Like we are curating this summer edition along with the festive edit. So we have some renowned labels who are showcasing their collection. Like we have handlooms, we have hand woven products, we have brands like Silai by Sridevi Garu, and I'm really honored to have her as one of our guests to inaugurate and be a part of this curation. So we have Avian designer jewelry, which is a customized jewelry by my friend Satya. And there are a lot of designer boutiques who are also there. We have RR Couture who are into dress materials, saris, dupattas, Western fusion, Indian, all kind of collections. So I'd like to welcome everybody to come and have a look. This is happening in Labels Pop-Up, April 5th and 6th, and we look forward to cater to your lifestyle needs. Thank you very much.
The Avinya collection, we have a lot of varieties of sarees and we do have designer jewelry. We do it in gold as well. బట్ ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తున్నవన్నీ కూడా డిజైనర్ చేసినవి, ఆల్రెడీ కస్టమర్కి డెలివర్ చేసినవి. సో కస్టమర్ చాయిస్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళకున్న సారీ సెటప్ ప్రకారం మేము డిజైన్ చేసి ఇస్తాము. Okay, so we are doing exhibition on 5th and 6th in My Glam, and this is Labels pop-up show. So we do it every month actually. So if anybody are interested, please do welcome and see our collection, and you can enjoy our collection too. Okay, we have various collection of sarees also, like Georgette ఉన్నాయి, నెక్స్ట్ వెంకటగిరి పట్టులు ఉన్నాయి, అలాగే ఉప్పాడ పట్టలు దొరుకుతాయి, అలాగే చాలా ఫ్యాన్సీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ కూడా చాలా దొరుకుతాయి. ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా ఉంటాయి. ఐటమ్కి వచ్చేసి ఒక్కొక్క పీసే ఉంటుంది. యూ విల్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ కలర్ చాయిస్ ఆల్సో.